Well, hello campers. Another sequel to the Northern Light 1020 being rebuilt. So I finally put the kitchen skeleton, I guess, and fixed the drawers here, and that's how they're actually put in by the factory. And these little clips that you see here, these little clips right here, they're kind of a pain in the butt, but you have to set the drawers and stuff. And we built this area here with, as you can tell, same thing here that goes in there. They're not the best drawers, but I got to do what I got to do with what I have here. I can't rebuild them any better because it wouldn't. There's no way to really make any other type of drawers work. And the time I have, I don't think it's necessary. I made them so they hold and they'll carry the weight. Made them strong enough to where they're pretty sturdy. They'll hold as much weight as necessary, maybe a little bit more than necessary. This is the sink area right here. It's going to be the sink area, and have your water connections and the actual drain. This part here actually goes on the side here as per what was manufactured originally. Now to get this table here, or this the actual countertop, is a real pain, because what they have is they got a real they have a ledger here, but in order to do that ledger you have to screw it from the bottom, and so it's kind of a bad design. They should have done a little bit differently. I'm going to see how much of a pain in the butt it is to get it secure and everything. Otherwise I'm going to design something else. Probably some kind of a lockable system here, so that you can screw something down in there and you flop this thing in, and basically it attaches by itself. I think Kia has something like that. But anyways, I got supports here that I'm going to put in, aluminum supports for this for the stove. So I'm going to put aluminum supports here that I bought just before I put the countertop on. I'm gonna let you guys see what all I did. So these the way they got these things here, these the old foldable in tuck, but as you can tell, they're really not designed for this, because you have a big gap right here. But the whole system has it. You can tell I got it up here. Got the same system. So basically it's the same. See it? There's the same gap up there everywhere. So this has to be adjusted. I don't know why it went off. Probably either, I don't know, I think we didn't have any movement there, but we did have some movement here, but everything's lined up. Even the drawers down here. So this drawer lines up with this drawer now, and that's all I could do. I couldn't line anything up else up. And then this side, I'm still going to design it. I'm going to design a bench seat here, so that I can have so much more room in here. And after I get it all cleared out, I design it, and then I'll make another video on what's going to go there. So, but as of now, I want to get this this table, this countertop put in, everything working, so that I get this completed. I don't want to start too many things all at once. So, Okay, campers. I'll be signing off for now. Talk to you later. See you later, campers.